Welcome to Sakaraka Safar. Get ready to embark on a cosmic journey through the 12 signs of the zodiac as we explore the power of Mercury, the planet that governs communication, intellect, learning, and expression. In this exciting video series, we'll be diving deep into Mercury's influence on each zodiac sign, from Aries to Pisces, and unlocking how Mercury's energy affects you based on its position in the houses of your natal chart. But we're not stopping there. We'll also be exploring the incredible concept of Mercury's exaltation and debilitation, so you can fully understand how this planetary energy shines at its best and where it might face challenges. Mercury is often referred to as the messenger planet. It's the planet of thoughts, communication, and reasoning. Mercury influences everything from the way we express ourselves and process information to how we connect with others. Whether we're solving problems, sharing ideas, or learning new things, Mercury guides it all. Mercury in exaltation brings out mental brilliance, sharp analytical skills, and clear communication. Think of it as Mercury at its best, functioning like a finely tuned instrument that's working in perfect harmony with your thoughts and words. Mercury can express its highest potential when it's in these signs, making communication smooth, intellect razor sharp, and ideas flow effortlessly. Mercury in debilitation can show challenges in communication, misunderstandings, and disorganized thinking. When Mercury is in debilitation, you might find yourself feeling confused or struggling to express your ideas clearly. But this energy also has growth potential. Through introspection and adaptation, Mercury's challenging positions can lead to deep wisdom, creativity, and emotional intuition once embraced. For Sagittarius natives, on 11th February 2025, Mercury moves into Aquarius in the third house of communication, siblings, courage, and skills, along with Saturn at 24 degrees and Sun transiting in this area on 13th February. This period will bring focus to your communication style, relationships with siblings, and how you express yourself. Mercury in Aquarius enhances your ability to communicate and express ideas clearly. Saturn's influence may make communication more disciplined, but also leads to challenges in expressing emotions freely. Use this period to have structured conversations and write or speak with clarity, especially for business and creative matters. Expect deep, intellectual discussions with siblings or close friends. Mercury's influence can bring up hidden thoughts or ideas, so be open to learning from others. If any sibling or close relative has been distant, this is a good time to reconnect. The presence of Saturn may create some seriousness in relationships, so ensure you're mindful of others' feelings. Mercury and Aquarius boost your intellectual courage, making you more curious and willing to explore new ideas. It's a good time for taking on mental challenges and engaging in self study. Saturn brings focus but can also make you more cautious. Use this time for careful planning and realistic goal setting. There will be some challenges and things that you will need to watch out for. Mercury's intellectual energy can lead to overthinking or a tendency to be too detached emotionally. Be mindful of misunderstandings in communication and avoid too much mental detachment from personal relationships. There are some practical remedies for Mercury in your third house. Take time to relax your mind and avoid mental exhaustion. Write down your thoughts or engage in intellectual discussions with friends or colleagues to deepen understanding. Offer thoughtful advice or support to your siblings or close relations. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further insights, feel free to contact us through the WhatsApp number shown on your screen. See you in the next video.